So the fire truck should be coming somewhere. It's likely for these false alarms to happen. It was not actually a fire, it was a false alarm. I don't know what caused it, but I think it was maybe someone burnt something. Well, I think it was when no one was there, so it might have been a, you know...
Ronnie, get out of the way, they're coming.
They're coming home.
Ronnie, get out of the road.
Okay, it's going home now. Engine 6 is clearing up from another call in our neighborhood right now. They happen a lot here. Like... There it goes. What was the cause of this fire? I think it was something. The cause of the fire, I think, they were not home when the cause of the fire happened. Oh, it's going up my hill. The truck is going up my hill already, if you know that. It's going up my hill.
Are you videoing or
I'm videoing it
for who?
for like Mom or my viewers.
Your viewers?
I have a YouTube channel.
Really? What's it called?
Have my own account on YouTube.
Yeah,